So I'm having $140. Yeah, what do we have here? Kind of, we are having the overbought condition right here. I'm gonna be having $100 to trade, and we are kind of approaching the resistance level, and I would like to go. Great. So $92 of the income, which is, I mean, enough for the first profit, for the first trade, I would say. We are having a strong seller. I mean, we do have strong sellers right there, and MACD confirms the downtrend. So yeah, we're going for a short. We're just gonna be following the move, betting 150 right there. I don't really like the way I'm sitting right here, I guess. Oh my god. Kind of winning and losing at the same time. I mean, I don't really mean that I'm currently losing, but I do have that risk, unfortunately, and all of us, we do really literally have that risk of losing, which is quite, you know, obvious, because life is about winning and losing, and everything in this world is about winning and losing. And in 2 seconds, I wanted to say minutes, I'm winning it. Here we go. $138 of profit. Moving to another currency pair, euro and Japanese yen. Wow. So we have been having some sideways, and right now we just, you know, we went for short immediately after the sideways. So I would support that direction, and I would love to go short as well. So apparently I'm going short. Having $200 on the table, and at the same time, do not forget that we broke the midline of the Bollinger Bands, as well as we broke the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. It was quite close, but we got lucky on this bet. Whoa, Canadian dollars and the Japanese yen, we almost have the same situation and the same picture. We just went down from the sideways, from the accumulation, breaking the midline and the lower boundary of the Bollinger. So I'm definitely supporting the trade again, and having zero doubts that we having it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you remember that trend on TikTok? I mean, I remember me. No, it's not it. I'm kind of afraid. Yeah, I remember that trend going viral, and everyone just, every musician. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. $576 back to our balance, and $276 is our profit. I guess, I mean, guys, look, we do have some space according to the MACD. That's the first thing. The second of all, we're going short, and we are kind of, you know, we broke the midline. We don't even talk about the midline, it's so far away. We broke the lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands, and we are kind of about it, you know. We're now rebouncing it from it. So it means kind of we still have power to go even lower. You know, confidently having this money in our balance. Even though we just went uptrend, right now we are just bouncing back from the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands, and I'm gonna be playing big. I want to have 600 right there, and we're kind of approaching the midline of the Bollinger Bands. But the main reason is that MACD just indicates and confirms that movers to that direction. No, the movers. I mean the move to that direction. What the hell? I've just invented a new world. Not the world. What the hell is going on? I mean, I meant word, but guys, I'm a human being, you know. I may be tired. I may be, I don't know, stressed, nervous, excited, and everything at the same time analyzing the market. And sometimes as a normal human being, here you go. Here you freaking go. Just $1,000 and almost $800. We have just made it from 150, I guess. It was something like this. It was quite impressive. It was really good. So guys, if you're willing to get even more than this amount of money, the only and the main recommendation would be joining my Telegram private group. I'm having a lot of vital and, you know, very much the type of information that you would be gathering for years to learn, the experience that you will be, you know, learning from for years. So everything is on a plate served for you. So just go, click or tap and join. That's for absolutely free. Just go on. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment right there, and of course leave a like to this video. So all the kisses to you guys. Goodbye.